Inspired by Motor Madness, here's my demonstration of a product for my BMW F800S. Coming home, many a time it's a pain, especially at night, having to stop the bike outside the house, get off, go all the way down to the garage, unlock the garage, open the door, come back up to the bike, get on the bike, back it down into the garage. So I thought there must be an easier way, and this is my approach. It works off the horn switch. As you can see, the garage door is closed. Going over to the hooter switch, I'm going to tap about twice within a 2-second period. As you can see, the garage door opens automatically. It's excellent, works really well. Two more taps, we'll go ahead and close it now as a demonstration. And there we go. With this product you no longer need to get off and open the garage door, it's completely automatic. It's fairly easy with a small modification to open a gate if you had a gate to your yard. I don't, but it wouldn't be too difficult to reprogram it to open a gate if need be. So there you have it, made possible with children, simple to make. I've got 2 spares if anybody's short. Let me know. Thanks.